Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad dressing vegan easy guide. Start by gathering silken tofu, aquafaba, capers, miso, lemon, garlic, Dijon, olive oil, and nutritional yeast. Blend tofu or aquafaba with capers, miso, lemon, garlic, and mustard until smooth. Slowly stream in olive oil while blending to emulsify. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or lemon, and finish with a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for umami. Use high-quality ingredients for the best flavor and texture. Silken tofu provides body, while aquafaba whips airy creaminess for lighter dressings. Miso and capers give that anchovy-like savoriness, and nutritional yeast lends a cheesy note without dairy. Fresh lemon juice brightens the mix, and Dijon helps emulsify. Olive oil should be added slowly to form a stable dressing, and season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and bring more vegan recipes. Quick recommendation: treat your feet right, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I use them in the kitchen and they make standing while cooking way comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and ease with scaling. Add silken tofu or aquafaba first, then capers, miso, Dijon, garlic, lemon juice, and nutritional yeast to the blender. Pulse until homogeneous, then while blending on low, drizzle olive oil slowly to create an emulsion. Stop to taste and adjust salt, pepper, or lemon juice. Chill briefly to let flavors marry before serving over ramen or a hearty kale mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.